Sundara, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes. So, any question or from previous sessions?
Not like previous session, Sundara. Like you are having any SharePoint link where you will be updating every day's session that we have been discussed. Like at the end, you are also giving some assignment, right? So all those things, if you have to refer. So is there any SharePoint where we can refer?
That LMS is there. There, I'm uploading.
LMS, I'm actually trying to find it. Can you just show once, like?
Yeah. So this link is already shared, right? In that, if you go to login, then your user ID and password is sent on your emails.
Okay, that user ID password, I have to use it to log into this link. Okay, okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. So, actually, I installed this something, uh, malware protection something. So that's why system is becoming slow. It's not happening. I will check after the class.
It is saying I'm trying with my, you have given user ID and password, right? Okay.
Yeah, so yesterday and day before that session I need to upload. Remaining is there. From mobile also you can download the Moodle app and then you can give this link
I'm not able to
and
log
then
in.
sign in by
It's
user ID
saying
password. Hmm.
it is giving me invalid login.
Okay, is there any password reset link is there?
Last password is there. Last
So there
password is
you
it,
can
but
reset your password.
oh, okay. Let me try that then. Okay.
I need to disable this malware protection what I installed. I think that because it's making the speed more slow. Yeah, here like this all instructions and all this comes here left side. So module 1 warehouse, module 2 SDL SQL. I uploaded till here yesterday and day before that I need to upload Monday and Tuesday. These are assignments.
Hello.
Like if you click on add submission, then it
Hello.
will give you the instructions. Yes.
I'm getting some
Yes.
echo in voice. It is for me. I'm not sure for others as well.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Is everyone is getting echo?
Um,
For me, it's not there.
No, it's not there actually, Vasundhara.
Okay, I will drop the call and I will join the again.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right. So here, Anand, have you found this?
I've just reset the password. After resetting the password, where I should go, can you just
Yeah, same link,
Abnisha Bas?
lms.harisiksha.com.
Yeah, I've gone there. Yes, I got it. Introduction is DLC fundamentals, module on warehouse, module to SQL. Yeah. Yeah, I got it, Vasundhara.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Am I audible properly?
Yes, you're audible.
Hmm. So this one, yes, Anand, have you logged in and you got that link?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah. Okay,
Thank
then we
you.
will start now. You can browse that, like you will navigate that, you will understand everything. The assignments are there, class notes are there, and video link also I am uploading. Link means if you will like this, click on this link. So if you click, then it will redirect to YouTube.
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Your YouTube is signed in with that, then it will open. So yeah. So yesterday I have given some group by related. Okay. I think I didn't send. Will send today.
Yeah, it would be great, Vasundhara, the moment the session gets completed, right? Whatever the assignment is there, please upload it.
Yeah. And I will send in group also. Yesterday some busy schedule was there. That's why. So we will solve it quickly.
Yeah,
Like
sure.
this is database, and from the following table, write a this amount of all orders. Yes. So everyone, you can write in the chat box what will be the
Write a
answer of,
SQL query to
or what will
calculate
be
total
the query.
purchase amount of all orders. Return total purchase amount. Total purchase amount. Like total purchase amount, you just want, right? With respect to any particular order number or any customer, nothing like that. You just want a total number
Hmm.
of
Yeah.
total purchase amount. So which we can use it
Nothing.
as a select,
Hmm.
sum of purchase amount from table is orders, which will give you the
Yeah. Right.
total purchase
So
amount. Yeah.
correct. So it is same for this also. Here also average total average purchase amount, and here they yes. What will be the query for this one?
Write a SQL query that counts the number of unique salespeople, return number of salespeople. So you want unique salespeople, right?
Yeah.
Count of unique salespeople.
Hmm.
So when you say unique, right? So maybe you can use it distinct of on top of that count also you need. So you need a count on salespeople, which is like sales ID. You mean to say. Uh, will it work like distinct of on top of count of salespeople?
Can you write? Everyone, please write what will be the main thing here in the chat
Count the
box.
number of unique salespeople. Yeah. Will this one work?
Yes, everyone please write.
Okay.
Satyajit and Pratik, are you writing? Question is clear, right? Any understanding issue?
Hello. Yeah, I missed some part. Could you please repeat once?
Yeah, see, read here. From the following table means this is the data. You need to write SQL to count unique sales people. How many unique sales people are working in the organization? Like output should be this.
Okay,
Six people working.
sure.
Yeah. Mm. Yes, is it done? Yes, count distinct salesman ID. So
Yeah,
inside the
already
count
done.
function, you
Yes.
can write distinct.
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct.
Yes, Pratik, it's clear, right?
No.
You are able to see chat box, right? Here.
Yes.
So can you see this query and let me know if it's clear or not?
We have used your aggregate function, right?
Hmm.
Oh. And then we have used the column name.
Yeah. We are counting salesman ID, but not duplicate one, distinct one.
Okay.
Then next question. Please practice, guys. Write the query and all. From the following table, write a SQL query to count the number of customers, return number of customers. So number of customers you need to count here. Yes, Pratik, can you guess what will be the query here?
Okay. I will try in chat box.
Yeah, you can tell also. It's same almost.
Count the number of customers.
Just a count function and customer name. And it's not asking distinct, although these are distinct customer only. If it will ask, generally it will ask distinct customer only. Number of customer means distinct customer only. So count distinct customers. Okay. Pratik, you can write this query. This in chat box you are able to see this query. You can write on your some notes.
Okay.
For counting distinct salesmen or counting distinct department, distinct customers, same query.
Okay.
You reflect on that. If it's not clear, then let me number of customers. Yeah, that is done. Then is this one. Yes. From the following table, write a SQL query to determine the number of customers who received at least one grade for their activity. Grade is this. That means we need to avoid those who didn't receive any grade, null,
Write
who are
SQL query
null.
to determine the number of customers who received at least one grade with their quant activity. Okay, grade. Like select star from you wanted select query to determine the number of customers who received count. Okay, you want count. Select count of grade from table where
At least one grade means there should not be zero or null in grade. That's it. This will not be counted. That's why
and
7
where
is the
condition we should write where grade is not null.
Exactly. So select count star from table where grade is not null.
We need a count, right? So
Or where
count of
grade is
grade.
greater than 1 and not null, not equal to null, blank. Whatever it is, if this is null or blank or zero, what it is, according to that we can give and those all conditions. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From the following table, write a SQL query to find max purchase amount. It's simple. No based on any key, so max, that's it. Max amount. This is minimum amount. So simple. Highest grade. Okay. From the following table, write a SQL query to find the highest grade of customers in each city. Yes. This query, please write everyone in the chat box.
Vasundhara, in the previous one, we need to use a star in brackets.
Where? Count
The
star.
previous one.
Which one you are talking? This one.
Yeah.
Here you can use count star or count one or count grade. All will give same result, but we recommended instead of star, we can use grade or one. It is counting, just the condition is main here. That condition will remove the null. You can give end also. End grade is not null and grade is not zero. Like that kind of things you need to give on giving. And those which is having no grade, it will or zero grade, it will be removed by the condition. And remaining will be counted. Okay.
Can you go to that last question, Sundaraj?
Yeah, this current question.
Yeah, current question.
This
Yes.
one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Write a SQL to find the highest grade of the seat customers in each city. Grade. Okay. Max of grade from each city. Okay. City. Group by think it should be first city and then group by will maximum spread.
You can assume like many records are there, okay, which is having city repeated. Like here, only one city is repeating. All the city may be repeat. So grade may change. So max grade you need to calculate for each city. Like New York having 100, 200. So max is 200. That will go in output.
Yeah, so that's what when we need to find the customer in each city.
Grade, max grade in each city.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You need to get the maximum grade for each city. So when you say for each city wise, we need data, right? So when you say city wise, we need to use that group by so that it will give only one record from that group. Like 2 cities are there, and which is the maximum one that will give.
Yes. What will be the query? Please write quickly.
Yeah, we have written in the chat.
Written. Okay. Select city max grade from customer group by city. Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay, Pratik, it's clear, right? Pratik, you can practice. Okay, if any difficulty is there in query writing, please practice. Give some time and practice that.
Yes, Sundar.
Yeah. City with max grade and corresponding salesman ID. Yeah, okay, this will be. From the following table, write a SQL query to find the highest purchase amount ordered for by each customer.
Find the highest purchase amount ordered by each customer, return customer ID, maximum purchase amount. So customer wise maximum purchase amount you need, right? Again, it's the same query, you will just write it.
Yes. Yeah, grouping will be on which column?
On customer ID. On customer ID, Vasundhara, grouping.
Yeah, right. So customer ID and max purchase amount. So we'll skip that. Then from following table, write a query to find highest purchase amount ordered by each customer on a particular date. So grouping will be on same customer and purchase amount highest max on a particular date, like on January 1st to 2012 or on this date.
Can you show the output once clearly?
This
Yeah. On each customer max amount and then on a particular date.
on a particular date. Okay, date wise also.
So you just
On a
want a date wise. So you will just add another column in the same query, which is order date. You will get
This is 305. So on a particular date, what is maximum? Like on this date, he purchased so many items or products. Like this is one product on this date, then another. So 4-5 entries are there. So max purchase amount, which particular product, costly product that customer purchased on this date, like that. So if the duplicate entries are there, then we can see like on same date that to be.
302, 302, there is no duplication.
How many records? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think here is no duplication, but if we
Yeah,
enter
in
some
this there is no duplication.
Hmm. Now it will duplicate. Right. So answer for 305 on this date will be 200 now.
So here the order as well as date and only purchase amount is something that is unique.
Max purchase amount. And if this customer purchase on another date, that is different. That will also come here as a different entry. Like see, customer ID 2 time coming. Why? Because on this date there is some other max amount. On this date, some other max amount.
Yeah.
Anybody has written query?
Writing that.
I hope question is clear, right? For customer 3005 on same date, like this and this, two particular product it has purchased. This 7001 order number and 70014 for one more order. And purchase amount is different. So max purchase amount on the same date of same customer should go in output.
It's very pretty simple. The previous query only, we'll just add the order date. So it's like when we group by on the customer, we'll get two records for the same date and then the same customer ID. But in that again, max of purchase amount, if you take only one record, which will come, that is the final record. Last
Grouping
record.
will be on which column?
Grouping will be on still on customer ID only.
Okay, if you do grouping on customer ID, then 3 record will come in output.
1 second. Then no. Then it will not work out. Out of 3, only 1 has to come. And
Two
date wise we need. I think
actually
it
two
should
customer.
be grouping on date, order date.
Also group by
Group by
first
customer ID.
customer. Then second key is this order
Customer
date.
ID and order date. Yeah, correct.
First customer ID, next order date. If you do any change in that
Order
sequence,
change
then
also it will get different. Yeah, it get differentiated. Yes, correct,
yeah.
correct.
So customer wise, then on top of customer wise, then order wise. So
Correct.
this two key concept, two double key concept, that should be very much clear. Later on in order by also we have to learn that. So you have suppose some table, department wise. Or suppose product name and date and customer ID and amount. So product is suppose this date amount. Customer. This is one record. Then similar. Same customer, same date. And same date, some another customer. Okay. So now if you want to write a query, like if you want two things are there. First thing, arranging. Arranging. Second thing is grouping. Arranging in sorted order. Ascending or descending. And grouping, based on what is grouping, we know. So it for arranging, we use order by clause. So that arranging is used for just our understanding purpose, as well as if there is need to do calculation on sorted data, then for that purpose arrangement is needed. So we use order by for that, and group by we use for grouping purpose. So if you want to arrange the data, arrange the same data in, already I think it is arranged customer wise, it is already arranged. If it is mixed up like this, I will just mismatch one here. Okay, and you want to arrange it in order, like a customer wise, date wise order. Okay, like first customer wise data should be there, and on top of the date wise. Date can be yeah, suppose there is two more record I will add for different date. So now how you will arrange the data in customer wise and on top of the date wise. So how the sorting work, how the order work. So first of all, this customer wise arrangement means all the customer data will look like, entire data will look like this. It will be rearranged. How to do that? Tell me that. Okay. These three records, it will go here. Now it's arranged. First is C101 related data, it is there. And on top of that also, this is date wise. Customer C101 and on this date, right? Then customer C101 only on another date. If more record of that date is there, then two record of that date. That to be in ascending order. Right? Date is in ascending order. First is 1st January, then 13 January. So you can see this data, it's arranged customer wise, date wise. Then this C102 is coming. So how arrangement is there? For that, you need to use two keys, order by. If you will do only customer ID, then it may put the date. This date can be here, second record or third record. It can give that. Okay. But if you will do customer wise, date wise, purchase date, then it will arrange the data in this manner. Like this is the customer particular, and then on like first arrangement is customer wise. Okay, so all customers 101 data is together. Now on top of that, purchase date. So you can observe here, this C101 is there. On top of that, there is again one more arrangement, date wise. This date, all data together, then ascending. By default, ascending. If you want descending, you can give here DESC, then 13th first, all 13 record first, then this 2 record will come first, then this 3 record will be down to that. That's it. So order by close, how it is working, is it clear? Any confusion or any question here? Like example, I will
Just
give.
one
Yes.
question, Vasundhara. Like in this, which will come in order, like group by first order we need to do, and then we need to do group by, right?
No dependency. It is just for making you visible properly. That's it. Okay. Grouping
So
only. Answer of
Hmm.
that query is only group by. Group by will do order by also na internally. So we don't need to do it externally, but it is recommended to do order by. Why? Because if you will do order by, that clause execute first, and if it is shorted, then group by will be faster. For performance perspective, it is recommended. Otherwise, there is no necessity. If you don't do group order by, direct do group by on city ID, customer ID and purchase, it will work. It will give you result.
But if you use order by, then it will be faster, you mean to say?
Faster, yeah. Because grouping first, it will do internally ordering, then grouping.
Yeah, internal order is
So if already ordered is there by order by clause, then grouping will be fast.
okay, got it.
That's why in Ab initio also we used to first to do sorting, then
Yes,
roll
yes,
up.
correct. The best practice in ab initio is first we'll start and then we'll do the roll up. Yeah,
Yeah, that's why I'm explaining in that manner. So
got it.
order by customer ID, comma purchased. But what is happening here? That should be clear, because some people now they get confused, and they answer like very differently. Like it will be how it will arrange even simple things. Suppose this particular question is there. Okay, then you need to, one minute. You need to arrange it according to column 1, column 2. What will be the output if I will do order by column 1 and column 2? Yes, Pratik, have you understood this one? Ordering means arrangement. Actually, concepts are simple, but if you people, anyone preoccupied by some office work or something, then customer ID. Okay, max purchase from group by.
Can you explain once again, please?
Yes, Pratik, are you busy today?
No.
In some office work or something?
No.
Right. We are learning order by clause. You understood this thing?
Can you explain once again, please?
Okay. Can anyone explain this one? How it is ordering is happening?
Yeah, sure. So basically, you want to order on first customer ID, like wherever the order is mismatched with respect to customer. First, it will order on that particular customer. Then, according to the customer, then the purchase date will be ordered.
Like this is the data. Okay, if you are ordering on customer wise and order on date wise both, then it will look like this. So how double key of order by work? First customer wise it will arrange, then purchase date. Similarly here, if this is the data sample example and you are ordering on C1, C2, how the data will look like after arranging?
Vasundhara, like one question. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
In order by, it is like arranging in ascending and descending order, right?
Yeah.
But here, like we have the same customer like 2-3 times, then how it is working?
Arranging means that only we arrange the similar item we keep together. In house also, if we arrange something, similar item is keeping together, that is only arrangement. And then in ascending order means smaller will be first, then greater, then greater, then greater. So that's only C101 together, then C102, then C103, 104. Gathering also happen. Whenever order will happen, gathering also happen. Right? Suppose you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5, 6, like that. How you will do arranging? Like suppose you have the number 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 2. Huh? Arrange it in ascending order. How you will arrange? Will not you do gathering also? Correct? This understood? Yeah, is it clear or what was your question?
Yeah, it's clear.
Similar manner, it's keeping C101 together and then 102, then 103, 104, 105 ascending order. And we are doing on 2 keys. So after C101 on top of this group, it's doing arrangement on other date also. So date also in
Do we have any example for this? Like practically we can see like how the same it is arranging like that. Do
we
you have any
have to
data?
insert this data. You can do one thing, you insert this data in the table and then see. We have double duplicate data or not, we need to check that in system.
The example that you're showing, that is same, right? The last
Yeah,
one.
it's opening, but this data if you will insert into the table, okay, and you write the query like select star from this table, order by customer ID, comma purchase ID. This.
No, that example that you have shown, that was the last example. It is same like this, right?
Hmm.
The last one, the last example that you have shown in that WordPad.
Yeah, the same I am explaining it in clarity because here double key concept is there. So how the arrangement is happening, that should be clear. Okay, and after that, for this, what will be the output of this similar manner? All A will be together, right? 3 A's are there. They will be together. And the number is 1, 2, 1 for A. This 1, 2, and 1. So I am shorting it first on C1. So I short it, then on C2 also. So on top of this, 1 to 1 also will be shorted. So this will be the order. And then B, already 1 and 3. So 1 will be first and then 3. Then C, 2.
Here we not need to use a group by, right?
If you, we are doing grouping for some purpose, like or maximum calculation or minimum calculation. For those all calculation purpose, we do grouping, and grouping will do internal ordering also. So ordering is just an arrangement. Grouping is for further operation. So if you want to do calculation like here, customer wise, this calculation or on this small data, if we are understand, then how many repeated value is there? Duplicate value. Okay, if on C1 C2 combination, on the combined C1 C2, how you will write the query? Question is find duplicate on combination of C1 C2. What will be the query? Yes, Anand Satyajit, please write in the chat box what will be the query. Think.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to find the duplications and combination of C1 and C2.
Hmm.
You want to find the duplicates, right?
Yeah. Find number of duplicate means see answer will be like A1 and 2 duplicates 2.
Got
Then
it, got
B
it. The number of duplicates.
A2 no duplicates. One record. Similarly, if there is so only this having duplicate and remaining doesn't have. Remaining combination not repeating. So it will
Got
have
it.
1 1 1. Hmm.
So in this case, you want to find the count of group by should be on C1. Okay.
Hmm.
First, we need to do like, since if you need to write it in a use group or by both, also we can use or else only group by will work fine. So select so you want like this A1 then 2. C1 comma count of C2 from table group by C1.
Group by will be
On C1.
only on C1.
C1 and as well as
Only on
C2 if we
C1, then
do.
3 will come for B, 2
Uh,
will come to B.
like I think we need A1 and A2 also, right? So on both the fields we need to do the group by.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like if question is find duplicate only on one key, then it will be different.
Yeah, when it is 2 keys, yes, we need to group by both them.
B2, C1. That is simple one. Grouping just on C1 and count. Done, right? Select customer. No. Okay, not written. Satyajit, is it clear to you also?
Done.
What will be? You should be very good in group by these things like this question, write the query for this and write the query for this. Please write in the chat box. All of you, please write. Otherwise, later on roll-up concept, there directly functions we will explain, right? So basic how grouping is happening, how ordering is happening. Interview questions comes like you need to do roll-up or combine some data based on some particular logic. So similar kind of questions also comes for ab initio. Like you have this data, you need to do grouping. This is the data, and output should be like this is the data. Okay. And output should be like this. Output should be like this. How to do?
Yeah, I've written the queries in the chat. So,
Yeah, then C1, C2 constant, right? Easy queries, right?
yeah. These are the simple ones.
So if anyone is struggling now, please go through from previous sessions, practice everything. And today is for Thursday, Wednesday. Friday, I will arrange one warehouse and SQL test for all whatever we have learned. And this type of more queries I am going to ask in that. So till that, please complete this document. So here, grouping will be on two particulars and max date will be calculated. From the following table, write a SQL. How many questions are? Yeah, okay. So following table, write a SQL query to determine the highest purchase amount made by each salesman on this particular date. So now it's not date wise, but on particular date. What change will come in the same query which you written earlier?
It was this one second. Write a SQL query to determine the highest purchase amount made by each salesperson on this date. So in this one, we'll write where clause because they're specifying particular date, right? Hard coding the date value. So we should give where date equals to this.
Yeah, and grouping will be on?
Purchase amount made by each salesperson. So salesperson.
Yes, and highest purchase amount, right? So
Yes.
practice that. Then from the table, write a SQL query to find highest order amount by each customer on a particular order date. Yes, here find filter the result by highest order purchase amount above this. What will be the query?
Write a SQL query to find the highest order of purchase amount by each customer on a particular order date. Filter the results by highest order purchase amount about 2000. So in this case, max of purchase amount, select max of purchase amount, comma, each customer, and then date. This will be in select, and then highest, like they need one more filter, which is a result. Highest order purchase amount should be greater than about 200, right? Where clause we need to write purchase
Where
amount is
clause?
greater than
Highest order amount. Highest order amount should be greater than 2000.
highest order amount should be greater than 2000, right?
Hmm.
Okay, then max of this order amount should be greater than 2000. Return customer ID, comma, order date, comma, maximum purchase amount.
Yeah, the query will be same only, which you
Same only, we just need to have that max of purchase
yeah, this will.
amount.
Hmm.
But you need that amount should be greater than 200. In
Greater
that
than,
max
yes.
also, you need one more filter, right? So for that condition, we need to write it in the SQL, right?
Yes, therefore that is not normal column, that is a max column, right? So for putting any condition on max column, we should use having clause. Here having clause come in the picture.
Okay, correct.
Having this greater than 20,000 or 2,000, whatever is there.
Putting any condition on max aggregate functions, we can say.
Max purchase amount, aggregate functions. So whenever we need to put the conditions on top of aggregate function column, then aggregate functions, then only we should use having clause.
Having clause.
Otherwise, otherwise we should use where clause only. So
Got
what
it,
is the
got it.
difference between where and having clause. So where versus having. Although having can do work of where also. If you will put normal column also, it will do work of where, but it is not recommended for performance. You should use where clause for normal column. And where clause, it can't do work of having. It can't do, it will give you error. If you use where clause here, it will give error. But for normal column, having will work, and for this also having will work, max. So the distinction is where is used for on normal columns, condition on normal columns. Mm, Having is used for condition on,
Aggregate condition and on aggregate function.
yeah,
Yes.
aggregate function column. And where come before group by. Execute also before group by, and writing also we used to do before group by. After from clause before group by. And having comes after group by.
Vasundhara, just a small question in terms of interview perspective. Like you are telling right now, right? So with respect to all the queries that we discussed, at the end of the session until the SQL gets completed, right? So if we discuss like order of the sequence, like they usually give one query where it will have multiple
Yes.
things like
Like select clause is there, from clause
yeah,
is there, right? Where clause is
group by
there.
is there, and then which will be the order of the
Uh,
commands that order of the things that get executed like that they'll ask.
yes. And then I have this one screenshot of one picture also that I will send you. So I will explain here just for understanding purpose. Then where, and then if joining is there, then join on, join like table from table A, join table B, where clause come up, join on some condition, where right. So anything else having. So which execute first? So first of all, it read the data. From clause execute the first. Then
Okay.
after that it apply immediately the condition. So where clause execute the second. No, if condition is on one table, then it will be executed. Or if condition is on joined data, 1 minute, joining will be resultant of that. So condition will filter the data first. Yes, condition will be first. After that joining, on top of filtered data, it will do joining. And in Ab initio also, we should read the data, input file component, read the data. And if there is any order by, yeah, after reading, we should filter the data immediately. And after that, we do sorting actually. So order by will come first or join. Join will not come first. Order by will come first. And then joining. I will give you that image also. First and second is clear. Third and fourth, if any mismatch, we'll see it from there. So joining will happen. Sorting, it is happen in starting only because join also needs sorted data, grouping also needs sorted data. So sorting will happen first, like reading, filtering, and then sorting, then joining. Right. And then any group by, whenever we use group by, there is a condition. Whatever columns you are using here, number of columns, same column, in same order, it should be there in select clause. You can't use in only in Oracle 11, Oracle or SQL, entire SQL. This condition is there. Like if you are using 3 column here, so you should use 3 columns only here in same order. Same order, not matter. Order not matter, but it should be there. Like see, this can be, but it should be there. And here you can put any aggregate function. You can't use any other column. You can use many aggregate function together, mean, max, or count, sum. Okay, but you can't put C4, C5, C6. Whatever is there in group by clause, it's very important rule, and in SQL only it is there. Whatever there in group by clause, that only you can select. Okay, so grouping will happen on 5th, and then if any condition on top of group, that will be last. So this is the order, basic for understanding and remembering purpose. This is the easy way to remember the order.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I will send you exact screenshot of exact orders also. If any mismatch, we'll discuss that tomorrow. So
I think group by, then having, and then order by, I guess.
is it there? Okay, I will recheck this. 1 second. It's not here, I think, in this mobile app. So what is the page? We'll search that later. Last is order. From where, then grouping, then 1 second. So as per this, in Ab initio, we used to follow this kind of thing, like first is reading, then filtering. In this, reading comes, then immediately it used to join it also. In reading itself, joining. Reading and joining, both happen in starting only in SQL. After reading and joining, filtering. After that, grouping. One, two. Third is grouping. Fourth is having. Then after grouping happens, so it will apply. Yeah. After doing this, then it will apply the select reading is done, then writing operation, select close. So fifth will be writing or select close, and sixth will be order by last. In SQL, this is the sequence. Just I referred it from that screenshot. I will send you that. So first is from close and joining is there, then joining also same thing. In this is in SQL, but in Ab initio we do first reading, then filtering, ordering, then joining, then we follow that order there. Here reading happen, then we do joining reading both together, then filtering, then grouping, and grouping happen, then having also will be happen together. Grouping and having. And fourth, fifth, sixth. Three, fourth, then fifth is select, last select operation, and order by is the totally at last it will be. Because this is in SQL, order by is given last preference. Why? Because it is just used for rearranging the data. Once grouping itself is doing order by also. For performance, 1 minute. Yes. So in the Ab initio, grouping itself will do ordering also. That's why it is not matter that whether you use order by or not. Order by is only for not sorting actually. Then it is just for arranging and showing. Grouping itself will do sorting also. Sorting, ordering, and grouping. It can do all operations. Sorting, ordering, and grouping all. This is just for arranging and showing. That's why arrangement and show is at last. After the select clause will work, then arrangement and show. So this is the correct order, guys. This is on the final order. Sequence clause. Let's do it. In Ab initio short, which is used to sorting purpose, that is not order by. That short is different. That we do in starting only. That is for helping the grouping or join or any operation. Sorting is used in starting. That is different than order by clause. Order by is just for arranging and showing purpose. Then yes, so any question here? Is it clear, guys? What is the sequence? This is the correct sequence. Remember this one.
Clear, Usman.
Then yeah, this one is done. Here just a having clause will come. Then from the following table, write a query to find the maximum order in range this. Yes, what will be the query here?
Just a second. So here the customer ID. Can you just show the output once? And customer ID,
Yeah.
order date, and then max. Customer ID. We don't have any duplicates in terms of order, customer ID, and date. And then the max amount should be between 2,000 to 6,000.
6,000 and it should include begin and end value. Same thing. Grouping will be happen on which
Grouping
one?
will happen on like customer ID as well as
Order date.
order date, and then like the having class we'll use because the range should be between 2000 to 6000, right? And that is a maximum amount. So since we are using
Maximum amount.
aggregate,
Okay.
yeah,
So between will be used or not? Because 1 second, between will give you end value will not be given. I think why between. 5 page 46. If we do grouping and we'll do between, suppose select star comment 46. Name between here G K L G and K. If we give where name between it is giving G. Is it giving K? No. Last value it's not giving. If you give L, then it will give till K. This between omits the last value. Similarly, if you have some numbering like this 10110, if you want ID between 102 till 104 or 101 till 104. So it will give 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Okay, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is giving the lower and upper limit also. Just checking for name, I guess. See here, for name it's not giving, but for numeric value it's giving. Till L, then K is giving. For numeric value, it's covering 101, 2, 3, 4 also. So it's for numeric value, it's covering in boundaries like end and starting value also. So yeah, you can use here between clause having order max order amount between 2000 and 6000. So that will be correct query. Then from the following table, write SQL query to find maximum. Yeah, what will be the query for this? Same, we are doing same grouping, same max calculation. Just the condition is changing. So what will be the condition here?
so they are saying amount is either 2000, 3000, which is R condition should come where in where
Distinct
clause
value.
R.
Which clause?
No, they are saying either any one of this, right? It's not like
Yeah,
every one
any
of.
one of this, either this or this or this, not in range or not. This
So
particular
in this
values
case,
are
where we will write.
not having.
Okay, having
Then
amount.
max amount. Yeah, for range between an end, and for this discrete value in clause is there where max or having max purchase amount in
Yeah,
and then in bracket this
correct.
all
In
values.
brackets, will give all the ways.
Then From the following table, right? So again, the range, from here, the question are repeating whatever we have done. I don't think any new questions. So you can go through from this all. I will share you this document now itself after the class, just after the class. Okay, so you can go through from this. And I have some more questions which are asked in interview. So for that questions, you should complete the practice. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday. I will take a set operators, union, all that are simple. After that, on Friday, I will take a test on group by, mainly on group by, because it's very important for ab initio perspective also. So, yeah, mainly on group by and operators, all operators. So practice that particulars. Um, if any question is there, you can ask in the class and get it clarified, but practice all these questions by yourself. You should be able to write the queries if this kind of simple, very simple queries it was. If you have missed some class or you was busy, then refer that video again and write some grouping related. I will give you one assignment also. Okay, that will be good. So customer wise, yeah, the
Yeah.
same data. Create one table by same data. How you will insert the date? This, either you work on this and page, or otherwise I will send you this script sample database. This script here, three tables are there. One is agent table, and you need to insert this data. Then another is customer table that is having foreign key of agent, and how date is getting inserted, that is also shown here by toDate function. And here agent code and these two things are there. So 1 second. Yeah, this is the correct one. toDate function they need to use, otherwise it will insert as a string, not as a date. So here it's date type. So you need to use insertion time toDate function and give the format, date and format like this. Okay, so you try this thing. I will send you this script. It is having agent, customer, and particular. So on top of that, for generating some reports, I will give you. That is one thing. And another is on this data which we discussed just now. 1 minute. This data, on top of that, generate few reports like customer wise, customer wise product purchased. How many product purchased by each customer? So customer wise product count. This report. Then customer wise, date wise product count. On particular date, particular customer on particular date, how many product he purchased? Like C101 on this particular date, I think four product or three product purchased, right? On this date, 2 product purchased. Output also I will write you sample output C101 20220101 3 product C101 2022 0113 2 product, like this kind of output. C102 also will become there. Then customer wise product count. So 5 product C102, 3 product 1 2 3 4 5 6, yep. And here C102 on which rate 2022-0101 3 product, I think. Here they are. This is the output. That's it. This much you write some your own. You need to write your own table definition. Okay. So create a table named cells and insert data below. Insert below data. And then write queries. Yes. This much you should do by manually by yourself. Once it is done, then this script related, I will give you different reports. So for that, you need to write different queries. Their join also will be used. So yeah, hold on this one. This is a one ER model, this particular entity relationship model in 3 tables. So first we will learn join, then you can implement this. For today, you do this much only. Yes. Okay, guys. Please practice. If any question is there, we'll discuss that tomorrow, or you can send in the group. Feel free to send in the group, WhatsApp group. If any question or anything you want to revise or new questions there you want to discuss, you can share there. Okay, so we'll conclude now.
One
Bye,
Sundara,
everyone.
one question.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Prateek.
Let me share my screen.
Okay.
For me, this is not updating. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
If you see here after SDLC, nothing is there. Direct SQL is there.
Yeah. Monday and Tuesday I didn't upload it. I will upload that today.
After this, only the one lecture, the link is there. But after that,
Which one you are? What you are looking exactly?
no, the recording sessions that I
Video
can see
recordings.
only. Yeah, I can see here only one session recording for the first one, I guess.
Okay. Remaining I will upload it. I thought you people not referring it, only WhatsApp group you referring. So I stopped here updation. So I will check that today. Whatever recordings are missing, SQL related also missing, right?
Yes. Only the first day the recording is there, I guess. Only first day recording.
First day and SDLC also there, I think. I will rename it to video like that, so that will be visible here in
Yeah, this one,
website.
here, the first one.
And warehouse is there. So I will upload all the recordings and I will update this LMS portal today.
Okay.
Here some assignments are also there for SQL. So you can complete that.
Which one?
Yeah, okay.
One
In
second,
SQL,
I'm
you can
sharing.
see that with assignment, it will be named right like that.
This one.
Yeah, right. Aid submission. You can
what we
click on
need to do is
aid
this.
submission. Yeah, here is the more detailed.
Okay.
One second. Practice drop. Yeah, this is basic query practice. I have shared you one document in the group, right? Basic DDL DML practice. Create a table and then delete some column, or so not column. Add some column, alter some column, or if delete is needed, then modify the table and alter that for deleting some column. And then insert the data, update the data, delete the data. That's it.
This is for the whole SQL, like for after that, when we see the join, and after that we need to do this, or
No, you can do whatever we have done up to now. That basic operation you can do, and in submission, just paste that queries which you practiced and submit.
okay.
Show first 15 row in table. How to show first 15 row? So where clause you need to use, where ID less than or row num is there, row num less than 15, like that. Right? Or
No,
having
but
count star less
which
than
table we
15.
need to use for this? Which table we
You
need to
need to
use?
create some table in assignment 1, it's there, na? Create one table. Add one extra column. Yeah, practice drop. Any table you can use, like 1 second here. Basic DTL operation, then this is assignment, interview theory question. Okay, fine. Then before the assignment 1, it's nothing is there.
No.
Assignment only. See the assignment only. This is just a document for yeah, here create table. This syntax is given, na? Create table, table name. So this is for your reference. Okay, you need to just refer if you forget syntax.
Oh, okay.
Like that, you can create any table and department table or employee table or customer table and insert some dummy data in that. Take some columns like customer table, then customer ID, name, email, phone number, date of birth, any number of column you can take. Notes. I'm not uploading, I think, notes here. Notes I'm sharing in WhatsApp group only. Do you want me to upload notes also here, class notes?
Yeah, it would
No,
be
no.
good, Vasundhara.
Okay. Yeah, fine. I will upload class notes and videos today.
That questions also like you are sharing, like you are showing today.
Yeah, that also I will upload that. Assignment question will be uploaded in assignment and remaining and WhatsApp, this not this word related thing. This also I will upload there only in LMS. Group by questions, like that, assignment of aggregate functions or assignment of group by. So in that Word document, whatever we discussed, I will upload that today. Okay, guys. So I will upload and will notify you in 1 hour. I will upload that all and will complete. Yes. Anything else?
Vasundhara, any other set of practice questions other than this? Like other
Yeah,
than
there
this
are
today's
few
Wattpad?
more are there. Yeah, a few more are there which are asked in interviews. So for group by, first you people practice this one, what is completed, because only Anand was giving answer, Satyajit also giving in middle somewhere. So I feel that you need more practice. So once all will be on same page on Friday, we will like today we have done some question answer session. Similarly on Friday also we will do some question answer session of group by, those interview question answer session. Mainly for group by, there are so many tricky questions are there on group by and subqueries and CTE. Remaining join related, there is no trick, only fixed structure is there for every join type. That much asked. For set operators also, 1 or 2 tricky question that we will discuss. But for group by and subquery, there are so many questions formed, and case and when also. So many questions are there for these things. Case and when also have wide scope. So, but is still limited. But group by has like everything has some limit after that. But having wide scope actually. Case and when and group by subquery, they have wide scope. So that's why we are emphasizing on that more. On Friday, we'll discuss more questions, Pratik. till that at least practice the
Yeah.
basic. Okay. Like anytime if it will be asked to write the query in ab initio interview also, you know, they tell to write very simple query of they don't say it's self join. They just say this is the input, this is the output, write the query in SQL. So if you are not able to write basic SQL query, then they will say, okay, we'll see next time, like that. In starting itself, 2, 3+ year, 4+ year experience. So SQL query writing should be there, and especially, yeah, even you, even if you don't claim in your CV that you are specific for SQL, then also they ask why, because they are working. Ab initio is working on every type of data type. Tables are main. Maximum are working on tables and CSV files, JSON files. On this they are working. That's why. Yes.
CT and subqueries that we have not seen yet, right? These
Yeah,
topics.
yeah. We have not discussed yet. We'll discuss in upcoming sessions. CTE, subquery, case and when. All this tomorrow will be set operators and join. And Friday I will take this subquery and CTE because it will be more difficult if group by itself basic is not able to write. Then subquery will be more difficult for you guys to comprehend. Basic, like, see, knowledge building or logic building happen one by one. If first base should be clear, then on top of that you can think, because I will explain and will go, but you should be able to think and write. Okay, then only it will be proper. So practice is needed, guys, for everyone. Even currently AI ML is going on, right? You know, basic coding they're asking. Even like already functions are there for shorting. Short functions are there in any programming language. Short functions are there. Python, mainly Python has many functions, leverage of many functions. But in interview they ask write without using function, write the shorting algorithm. Like, why they ask these questions? Because that will be real test of how much problem solving skills IQ a person has. IQ test. For IQ building, one should do practice, one should play with the query or programming languages and all. Then IQ will be built. Then interview questions, if you will refer ab initio also, interview question, they give many questions like that. This is the input, that is the output. Now think what will be used and write the query, write the ab initio particulars. So base is this only, like if one will be able to think on which particular grouping happening, after grouping how the system working, then can able to write either query or Unix command or ab initio related logic, right? So IQ building is very much important, and that is required also in current age. Everywhere actually it's required. That is what. Otherwise, AI also there, no? One can ask to AI and write the things. So why interviews are taken place at all? They can take anyone, and then they give the AI and just to search and write. No, they human need, because human has higher problem solving skills, critical thinking tendency, can even handle the AI properly. Human can handle the AI. AI can't do anything itself. So that's why they need problem solving skills, critical thinking, IQ. IQ can be built by practice and by this kind of quizzes and this what we took today's session of group by na, like that, more complex. This is level 1, then level 2 more complex it will go. Subquery will introduce. Okay, there it will become more complex, then more like that. Complexity of queries. And ab initio is such a tool that is mixing SQL complexity as well as program complexity in drag and drop manner. That is making the things easier. But for those who are able to comprehend the script behind, script ab initio generating some script which is combination of SQL and programming language, one should be able to comprehend that. For them it will be easy drag and drop. Otherwise, the interview itself will become difficult. That's not. Okay, guys. So, any other question?
No, Vasundhara.
Okay, so we'll conclude
No,
here now.
Vasundhara, we are good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, bye everyone.
Thanks everyone. Bye.